Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. Friends, today we will learn how to draw a interesting Rathayatra special composition with full tutorial drawing. So let's focus on the main work. At first, find out the proper place for the first figure and mark it lightly. Then draw the gesture drawing with some rough lines. Here we will use some geometric shapes and curved lines. Here just we will arrange the composition as simple as we can. Similarly, complete the gesture drawing of the second figure and third figure. Second figure was little bit fat man and third figure was a little boy. Can you guess it that what they are doing in this drawing? Maybe not or yes, just because you already watched the thumbnail. Also, draw two figures in the background. So our gesture drawing is completed. Now gradually complete the whole detailing with me. We will start from the first figure. He is a sweet maker, also a owner of a jalebi shop. He is busy to doing his work. We are also busy to doing our work. Now we will draw some objects related to this topic, like a big saucepan, a big spoon and so many jalebis. Now come to the other figure. Here was a grandpa with his grandson waiting for sweet crispy hot jalebis. In this situation, they are following the restriction, but grandpa not, because he is talking with the shop owner. Here we will draw so many jalebis also and complete the other figures with me. For the background, we will also draw the gesture lines very lightly to know the proper positions. This is a Rathayatra special fairs. Here was so many stalls. Also, we will draw the Rath with full decoration. Here we will draw a big merry-go-round behind the stalls. So friends, our whole composition is completed. For the color, you have to watch our next video. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us and take care. Bye bye.